So they're restoring this house, this building from the 1930s, and they have a bunch of angle iron, big angle iron, and some of the 1930s bricks in the dumpster. What say you that we get some bricks and angle iron?
All right.
I'm good. Looks like the lake's calmed down a little bit. The wind was getting a little bad this morning. Looks like it might have been used for over windows and stuff, right?
Mm-hmm.
For now.
Well, what do you think of your Wisconsin dumpster so far?
First one, I like it. A lot of scrap metal at the very least. It's pretty good. Oh, there's some long bars too. Tell you what, how about you back up your truck right here?
Okay.
Yeah, that'd help a lot.
Cut them and then clean them or sandblast them or pressure wash them. I don't know.
Why are we on?
Yeah.
I think that's enough for now. I don't see anything else that's really too interesting. But that's pretty good. I think that's the basis of a big welding table. We got 6 or 7 of those and 5 of those long, I guess 5-foot ones. Oh, I know. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, yeah, 7 of the shorter ones. And I also picked up this on the creek, or in the
lake.
Yeah, the lake.
That's a serious I-beam.
Integrate that somehow too.
Well, if we would have had to pay for that, you know, who knows?
There's a lot of metal we picked up today. Can't believe it.
No, it sure is.
So, how about I get my camera back on the gimbal and we go take a look at that building that this metal came out of.
Okay.
Before it starts raining.
Nice.
This is a really nice building. But it looks like they used a lot of cement for repointing, and so that might be causing some, oh, what's it called? Spalling? Spalding? Whatever.
Yeah.
Look at that. It's so cool. 1936. Southport Beach House. So, and now I have bricks from a nationally historic place.
You sure do.
Yeah.
Those are original windows up there.
Oh wow, they are original. That is cool.
They certainly are. The glass block, maybe not, but that is up there.
Yeah, those glass blocks are probably newer.
They're still quite old, but yeah, they're
Look at the
original.
curve on that.
Yep.
It's beautiful.
So, I've seen this building in use when I was a young kid, and
what was it used for?
well, it's like you can go in and change your swimming suit, or
oh, okay.
And
so it actually is a beach house.
It's a beach house, and there's ladies and men's bathrooms on. It's kind of split. One side left is ladies, I think right's men.
Oh, look at all that.
I think there's showers too, so you can wash off.
Look at the wooden shutters over the windows.
Yeah,
that's pretty old.
Really, really old. So it's 83 years old, right?
Yeah.
Since they started construction, and it's right here on the lake, so it gets some punishing weather.
But just look at that. You can see all the Well, that might be from like frost and stuff, because this doesn't look like mortar. This looks like concrete cement that they used. Really tears it up. And this brick is very chalky. You know, I wonder if this has been put together by recycled brick. What do you think? I do see a few oddly colored bricks among them.
Well, that's a good question.
Like, look at that, up there. Is that just repointing, or is that like repairs, or what?
Well, that looks new.
Yeah.
Practically. I don't know. Honestly, that's a very good question. I'd be curious.
Here's where all that looks like all the main restoration's happening. Oh, look, they have slate roofs. That's cool. I like slate. Oh wow, they have the original windows. I love the arches. The arches are really beautiful. Rain's starting to come in. This is a nice beach. You know, I bet that the beach actually went out a lot further than this before.
Oh,
when this building was built.
Yes.
It's probably hundreds of feet. Wow, look at all those bricks. I wonder how they sort them, you know?
That's a really good question.
Like what criteria makes those ones better than these ones? Look at that slate roof. I love that. It's a really beautiful building.
Maybe we can find some information on the city website online about what's going on with it.
Yeah. Probably winter maintenance.
Also, too, the Kenosha News might have an article in the paper, and we can search that electronically now.
Yeah.
I don't follow it every day like I used to. My kids does and my mom does.
Yeah. Looks like that storm's starting to whip up the lake a bit.
One thing that wouldn't be obvious is the water down here is usually crystal clear.
Oh, really?
Yeah, and what we're seeing really is just stirred up the bottom.
From the storm?
Yeah, and it'll settle out. Anytime it gets calm, then it'll settle out after about 2 days.
Look at over there. Someone's in the water.
Yep, big rock there, and it's whipping over the top of it.
I figure we can kind of do this kind of like a fancy shot where you're walking that way and I'm walking. So I think that's pretty much it. We got enough junk and we can now weld the angle iron to make it like a welding table. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you very much for watching. See ya. I didn't want you to trip over the
I appreciate
things.
that.